In this episode of Sailing Doodles, we fly from Phuket to Chiang Mai to find a little bit of paradise. Thank you to our patrons for making this channel possible. You can become a patron for as little as $1. And thank you to RainmanDesal.com for sponsoring this video. Domestic flights in Asia and in Thailand are actually very inexpensive, so it was a quick hop from Phuket up to Chiang Mai. Yep, we're at the airport and she's going crazy as usual. But today we are going to Chiang Mai. So if you'll forgive us for a few days of not doing sailing related stuff, about 3 to 4 days, 3 to 4 episodes in Chiang Mai, and then we'll be back on the water. Should be a good time though. We've never really been anywhere in Thailand except on the coast, so it's up in the mountains. It'll be cool stuff to see. We're looking forward to it. We're gonna rent a car. We're gonna have to make a visa run over to Burma too. So we'll go over to Burma. Should be some fun stuff. It'll be fun. Laura had a little bit of a problem going through security at the airport. What was in your bag, Laura?
I had a knife.
She had a knife going through airport security.
And I'm almost an illegal with my visa expiring.
Yeah.
I'm just...
You could have ended up in Thai prison.
We watched a movie about that.
We did.
I don't want to go there.
Broke down palace. And
wait,
then some
there's
other...
2 of them, right?
Some other crazy one were, yeah. I don't want to watch that one again.
Some girls got in trouble and some dude got in trouble.
Yeah. A little time at the airport lounge and we were on our way.
I didn't see what I'm doing.
We reserved an Airbnb at the Enchanted Garden Bungalows and the owners came to pick us up. What do we got there?
Yes.
What is that?
This for you,
Oh.
lucky in Chiang Mai.
Okay.
Big lucky.
All right, big lucky. All right.
Be lucky or
Yeah,
get lucky?
big lucky.
Be lucky, get lucky.
There you go.
Look how magical this place is.
I know. Juan Chai and Steve took us on a tour of Chiang Mai as we headed towards the bungalows. All right, we made it to the Enchanted Bungalows. We were actually picked up by the owner, Juan Chai, and a guy that works with him, Steve. And so I thought I might take you inside the Enchanted Bungalow, and it's a pretty amazing place, and it's really inexpensive. I think we're paying $50 a night for this, which is maybe expensive on the Thailand side, but for what we're getting, it's pretty amazing. So this one is our bungalow. Let's take you inside and give you a look. So apparently each bungalow is pretty unique. So ours is kind of like a big loop. So you have the center section here, which is actually the bedroom. And that's like the air conditioned portion. So you come in here, and I mean, look at this. It's pretty awesome. And so then basically around this is built the rest of the house. You have your kitchen over here on this side. I don't know if that's my beer, but it is now. In this section is the bathroom.
I'm eyeballing the bathtub.
And
You can go.
And it just makes a big U right here. And so like this, I'm really looking forward to this. I'm gonna put my computer right here. And this is gonna be my editing station. Out overlooking the pool, you got all these little waterfalls and fountains out there. It should be really cool. I'm looking forward to this. We have 5 nights here, so.
Babe, over here.
Uh-huh.
This is the book with all the activities.
Ah.
Everything. It's like the Bible of Chiang Mai.
Yeah, so there you go. Anything you want to do, they've got the scoop on it. So
Yeah.
we're gonna have some fun here and relaxation, more importantly. All right, as a special little treat, there's a
Welcome.
yeah, there's like a meal here that's just in Chiang Mai called kasoi. If I'm saying it wrong, I am sorry, but it's kasoi. So it's apparently pretty much the only place you get it in Thailand, so we are gonna try it.
And at this Airbnb, then make sure it's your first meal.
Yeah, yeah. So And like I said, or I don't know that I have said it, like literally we booked this Airbnb this morning. We have no affiliation. We just really like this place. So if you come here to Chiang Mai, come here.
I love it already. So I got what? Noodles, some wontons. Whoa, what is that? It's a chicken leg. What's in the baggies?
That's really spicy. Woo!
Let me see it.
I don't know. That's woo. And this is it's sugar. So you put I don't know. I put some in there. I don't put that much. Whoa, that's really spicy. Careful.
Really? Do you think I already messed it up?
Just try it. Take a little dip of it.
Is that too much?
No.
A ribbon on my nipples. What the heck is that? Ah! Babe, it's like a dragon crawling down my throat right now. I'm gonna start crying. Why did they give you this much? Who does that? I'm pretty sure this could like really hurt somebody. Woo! You know what? It kind of looks like gecko poop. Better not be what it is.
Back of your spoon.
It's a good idea. You think that is a bad idea?
Go for it.
Kind of want to try it again. That's hot. Oh, babe. You know what? I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna wake you up in the morning with some of this. Lips.
All right, so kai soy. What do you think?
I'm glad it's the first thing we've had.
Yeah, it's really good. I didn't put in, like my mouth is still like hot from just a little dab of that, so I don't need to add any to this.
Don't go like this. Because it goes fire.
That evening, there was a big fair at the walking street in the middle of town, so we decided to go check it out.
We could try to stop this, postpone the heartache, but I bet your body disagree, 'cause you keep coming home to me. My eyes are glued to my phone, trying to read your signals, but you say you wanna be alone, but the beat in your body takes me out of eyes. Mine can't keep leading you alive, but I know, yeah I know, that the beat in your body make notes so high. Mine can't keep trying to deny, but I know, and you know, you just postpone the heartache, 'cause you're scared. You just delay the heartbreak, 'cause you can't. Why you say I'm funny? I worry about nothing when you making me your enemy. God, I see my neck, yeah, I can see what you do. Ooh. God, I see my neck, yeah, I can see what you do. Ooh. But the beat in your body takes me out of eyes, and mine can't keep leading you alive, but I know, yeah I know, that the beat in your body make notes so high. Mine can't keep trying to deny, but I know, and you know.
What are you doing, Bubblicious?
Rookie mistake. Didn't bring an extra battery. Phone or camera died, so sorry about that. But it was a pretty good night there at the little walking street there in Chiang Mai.
I liked it there. There was lots to eat.
She did like
I
that.
pigged out.
She did a little bit.
Quail eggs were my favorite.
Quail eggs. Well, you know Bob White is quail, right?
You know what?
You ever heard that? Like Bob White, quail?
No.
Never heard that.
Is that a freaking movie reference again?
No, it's not a movie reference. It's a thing.
Why won't you have quail eggs then? If you're so quail.
I'm not going to go there. But anyway, Chiang Mai is pretty awesome. I would recommend coming here. So there's more. We'll explain kind of the history of the city coming up. And then tomorrow we are going to go to an elephant sanctuary where they rescue like the elephants and stuff. So
You're not allowed to ride them. You're only allowed to hang out with them.
take care of them. Yeah.
Yes.
So, all right, guys, please like and subscribe. And our patrons are getting access to our exclusive, only for them, daily vlogs, daily quickies.
Yeah, that's what I like to call them. It's our daily quickies.
Yeah. So, anyway, that's for our patrons. And thank you so much for making this possible.
Good night.
Good night.
If you cannot
It would really help us out if you click that subscribe button, and thank you so much for your support on this channel. It's our patrons that make this whole thing possible.
go,